Nagpapasalamat tayo sa ating mga kapwa natin, mga officers sa Senate at sinapuntahan nila na yung AKAP i-maintain, ibalik. Kaya tuloy-tuloy ang programa ng AKAP para sa Manila. Sa pangalan natin na tulungan natin ang inutos natin sa kahirapan ng inflation at
Speaker, yung buong budget mo ng AKAP na
maintain. Opo, just as we propose to the government. Thank you.
Sir, sorry, meron lang po kasi info na the senators will also get the AKAP. Totoo po ba yun?
Well, we can have arrangements now with the Senate. We're looking forward to that. We were supported by the Senate. So, maraming salamat po.
Speaker,
Subsistence allowance
naibigay po.
Ay, napakamagandang balita. Kagaya ng ginawa natin na linagay natin na increase of the AFP for our soldiers, daily subsistence allowance. We increased it from 150 to 350. That is going to be maintained and fully supported sa ating mga sundalo. Kaya gagawin kami for the high morale of the soldiers, our men and women in uniform, AFP. Tuloy po yun. Yung daily subsistence allowance increase from 150 to 350. Translates to almost 10,500 pesos kada buwan.
Speaker, may binabanggit kayo kanina, itataas yung living wage. Ibig sabihin na aprobahan nyo na po yung bill sa House para itaas yung minimum wage?
Hindi pa yan. Hindi pa yan na-take up dito sa...
So malabo na ngayon 19 Congress? Malabo na?
We'll see. We'll see how we move on that.